Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a difference and built a family. We've grown strong together.
I'm Libby Dyson. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. And today I'm bringing you another one of my How Does She Do That videos. And this time we're looking at vellum and how to adhere it to your project without seeing it. Now you can see I've adhered the vellum here and you can't see where I've put the glue. So we'll go ahead and get started. Now for this you need your silicone craft sheet, which comes in a bag like that and looks like this. And you need a little wedge of sponge. I cut mine into eighths, so in half and then in quarters. And I put little tags. I use punches and I put tags on them and staple them so I've got a handle for my sponge. And I do that for my colours as well as my glue. Now I've gone ahead and cut up the cardstock and I've put the DSP on the front. And this is the Magnolia Lane Designer Series paper from the annual catalogue. Just one of the beautiful sheets from that catalogue. And we're going to make a similar card, or we're just going to make the foundation of it. So I'll show you how I did that without being able to see the glue. So I'll move the card to one side. Now I've already got a little bit of glue on my mat, but what you do is come in with your liquid glue, just squirt a bit on your silicone craft sheet, and with your sponge just pick up some of that glue, work it round till you can hardly see it, and then start adding it to your project. Might need a little bit more here anyway, but you can't see where you're adding it. I'll just add a little bit more, and it makes a great adhesive. This is great adhesive anyway for all your projects, I find. So I've just added that back of the vellum, and Stampin' Up's vellum is a cardstock weight, so it's really good for your card projects. I'll bring my card front in and we're just going to add that on there like that. And you can't see, I'll bring it up closer to the camera for you, but you can't see where you've put that adhesive. And when that dries you won't be able to see anything at all. It's just dried on like another layer of card. So that's how I add my vellum to my project. So with your silicone craft sheet, a bit of sponge and your multi-purpose liquid glue, and off you go with the vellum. So you can buy all these products in my online store, and I'd love you to shop with me. So thanks so much for your time today. Come back again next week when I'll have another one of my How Does She Do That series, also in vellum. Alright, so thanks again. Bye for now.
Doing what we love.